Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
And we got to say much respect to First Republic Mortgage Bankers, always forging ahead in helping out the communities and having so many programs in there. Of course, I should say arsenal. They can help a lot of us out there. So people, make sure you keep it locked right here on Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. We have so much to share with you when it comes to home ownership. Later on this evening, I will be hosting a big seminar in the North Bronx. That's at Eastchester and Boston Road, right on the corner at the Eastwood Manor. I would like for everyone that's listening to me right now to come out to this big seminar this evening at 7 p.m. at the Eastwood Manor. What are you going to find out? You're going to find out what kind of a loan program you truly need to purchase a home or refinance a home. You're going to find out that you can get a very low interest rate to buy a home or refinance. And you're going to find out why. You're also going to find out your credit score. People on hand right there in person. We will be there with First Republic Mortgage Bankers, Plush TV, Link Up Radio, the Caribbean Link newspaper. We will all be there at the Eastwood Manor in the North Bronx. Make sure you check us out. Once again, folks, the number to call and make your reservation right now is 718-380-0006. With that said, let me go speak with a man who has over a quarter of a century, of experience in the industry. I do believe that he's the only individual I can actually speak with on the radio here from First Republic Mortgage Bankers and actually say that. As a matter of fact, I think he's the only one on this station, 93.5 FM, that has over a quarter of a century of experience in the mortgage financing industry. And that's the reason why he's one of the most sought after loan officer in the industry. Many other entities would love to have this man, but this man is an executive vice president at First Republic Mortgage Bankers and want to help people every single day. And he will continue to do that. We will allow you to speak with him in a few minutes. However, I need to speak with him right now on air. Folks, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome none other than Tony Shafiq. How you doing, man?
I'm doing fine, Squeeze.
You know, I've got to give you that opener,
Oh, I'd say thank you very much. Very, very much for your great opening remarks.
It's definitely true, though, man. I mean, 25 years of experience in the industry and you helping people. You've been through it all. You've been when the interest rates were all the way up there, when it's all the way down there, in the middle. You have been through it when credit was an issue, when it's not an issue. You have been there when the market has tightened up, when it's not tightened. You've been there in so many different levels, man. And I must say, congratulations, because you have achieved a lot in doing so. And the biggest gratification I know for you is actually people.
Absolutely.
Getting into their homes.
That's where my gratification comes in. And so I greet all of my listeners right now with all the love and a lot of respect, because I respect everyone. I display humility and courtesy, and I treat you as a person, although I'm highly skillful and professional. But you know what? All the experience that Squeeze is just telling you about and all the criteria about myself doesn't matter to me. You know what matters to me is that I display integrity. Integrity, and I serve you, the consumer, with the best possible leadership role out there as an icon in the community and as an educator. I would like to educate each and every one of you on the concept of mortgage financing and real estate. That is what, when you attend one of our free home buying seminar, you will know the cost effectiveness of owning in opposed to renting, the advantages of owning in opposed to renting, so that you will know that home ownership is the only way to go. And when you are a proud homeowner, you capitalize on the equity that you will be building up to make yourself financially secure for your financial future and retirement. There's so many benefits. There's no benefits when you continue to rent. Let me give you an example. If you're renting right now, and let me be very conservative, let me say your rent is $850 per month. You know, the ending of 5 years, what you're showing, $51,000 you have expended from your pocket. Nothing to show, nothing to call your own, nothing to build up equity on, nothing to be proud of, nothing to set a foundation for yourself and your family. You are at square one, zero. So if you think of home ownership, you're thinking in the right direction, not only for yourself, but for your entire family, improving the quality of your life from then and there on. So you proud homeowners, if you are already a proud homeowner and you would like to utilize now the equity that you have built up to make yourself financially secure, it means that those credit card debts that you're paying right now, that is a weight, is a burden, is a heavy load, and you're suffering financially, emotionally, and psychologically with sleepless nights. Think about how come you get the money to make your next payment. Well, all of that can be wiped out by one phone call. If you are brave enough to reach out right now and dial the magical number in the studio, I would just ponder upon, just hold the horse a while before we give you that number. But it is the best thing you can ever think of doing is to make yourself financially secure. It's by consolidating all your credit card debts into one, your auto loan, your school loan, your timeshare, and any other debts you may have. And at the same time, if you need money for renovation, we can give you that money for your children's education, for their wedding. It's all because at First Republic Mortgage Bank, with the government secure loan, and I'll repeat that, not every entity out there can offer you this kind of a program. We can offer you the government secure loan and give you up to 95% loan to value cash out on your home. So that's a lot of cash you can get. And I can show you literally with the mathematics that I'll work out with you and give you all your option, that in some cases you can save from $1,000 a month to probably $4,000 a month, depending on your current interest rate, your loan amount, and how many credit cards you are going to consolidate. And you know what you can do with that $4,000 a month? Oh, you can live very happy, and you can utilize that money for more productive resources. For example, you can go on vacation more often, you can take the family out to dinner more often, you can buy yourself a new wardrobe more often. You will live an extremely better quality life, well, with the money that you're taking out to buy investment property or vacation home. All that, it will improve your standard of living tremendously. And you know what? People start to get to envy you, want to know how this happened. You know what? It happened because you made that phone call. You take action by calling First Republic Mortgage Bank. But you can talk to the doctor right now. They call me the mortgage doctor because the squeeze says 25 years, a quarter of a century of experience, years of experience in the mortgage financing and real estate business. And top that all, I display integrity. So you can talk to me right now in the studio. And the magical number here is 718-325-5555. I want to give you potential power, which is knowledge, and that is empowerment. And I can give you that if you make that phone call. Make the phone call. The consultation is absolutely free.
You know what, man? People, once again, here's what I'm simply saying. All right? As a matter of fact, I just want you to answer this straight. You know, write down, just give me a punch list right now. First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a bank, okay? That simply means that they have access to just about all the loans in the United States of America. True or false?
You're speaking to me?
Yes.
Oh, absolutely. We are a direct lender. We specialize in only mortgages. So what is there available? All the mortgage programs, we are involved with them because in serving the community, we can't serve them in one direction, say only confirming loans or subprime loans. We have to fit them in everything. So from Sonny Mae, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, government-backed loan, veterans, everything we have there, subprime, niche, everything is available at First Republic Mortgage Bank.
So you have the, what do you call it, the conforming loans, you have the government-backed program, the subprime, you have all of them.
Everything.
And what steps do First Republic Mortgage Bankers take when someone comes through the door? What's the first step? You advocate first for the government-backed program, or how do you do the analysis?